How to create X account? Here's a step-by-step guide. To begin with, open the X app on your device. If you are a new user, simply tap Create Account. Next, you will be asked to fill in a few personal details. Here, enter your full name. Then provide an email address and set your date of birth accurately. Then tap on the Next button. Once done, check your email inbox for a verification code sent by the app and enter the code in the provided field. Again, hit Next. Then create a strong and secure password. Use a mix of uppercase, lowercase, number and symbol for better protection. When you are ready, hit Sign Up to complete the registration. Now it's time to personalize your profile. Upload a profile photo. However, you can skip this step if you want. Likewise, choose a username. Either go with the suggested one or create your own username. Moving forward, select at least one account that you are interested in and hit Next. Finally, your new account is ready to go. That's all. I hope this video helped.